Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Altia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these super soft and tasty butter naans. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. In a large bowl, you're going to start by adding 500 grams of flour, which is approximately to 3 cups, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of yeast, which is approximately to 7 grams. Then mix all the dry ingredients very well. Afterwards, we're going to add the wet ingredients, which are 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of yogurt. Mix well. Then lastly, you're going to pour some warm water gradually. Pour the water while mixing until everything is nicely combined. Then afterwards, you're going to knead the dough until it becomes super soft. Once the dough is soft, apply some oil around the dough, then cover the dough to let the dough to double size for approximately 30 minutes or more. It's going to depend with your guests. And after 30 minutes, my dough has double size. Am I the only person who enjoys puffing out my dough? Like, I do enjoy this part. Anyway, mix the dough, then divide the dough into medium small doughs. I divided mine into 8, but you can able to divide them into 10 and you can able to get 10 naans. Then take one dough at a time and make some round like so. Then place them in a warm place and cover them to let them to double size for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of rest, take one dough at a time, sprinkle some flour on the surface and roll out the dough into a medium thick circle. Make sure the circle is not super thin, it has to be a bit thick in between, as you can able to see in the video. Repeat the same process until you're done. While you're rolling out the dough, make sure the pan is on fire, like it's completely hot. Then place the rounded and cooked naan on the pan and cook the naan on a medium heat, because you want to make sure that the naan is nicely cooked inside. Using a piece of cloth, you're going to roll out the naan as so. When the naan is puffing up or rising up like so, you know that the naan has been nicely kneaded. Like, this is the perfect way to know that your naan is okay. Then cook the naan until you get this slightly golden brown color like so, and remove it out from the heat and repeat the same process until you're completely done. Lastly, I'm going to apply some butter around the pan. You can add some cilantro and garlic to make your naan more softer and delicious. And the way I love storing my naan, I love covering them with a piece of cloth. They will last for approximately 1 week, guys, and I hope you guys are going to try out this recipe. So I'm going to cut one naan so you can able to see how super soft it is. Look how soft it is. Oh my goodness. Hope you guys are going to try out this recipe, and if you're going to try out, please kindly come back to the comment section, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and do follow me on all my social media platforms I use, Altia. And see you next time. Bye bye.